Today too, Claire, you're not the only one. Feels like a Monday for me. We've got our Keeneland live weather bug camera. Not struggling. It's beautiful out there. Where the problems are is all up to the north. Showers, storms, torrential rainfall, severe weather, and we are dealing with none of that because we're far enough south with a stationary boundary. They're, of course, hip deep in it from Ohio back through northern Indiana. They've still got flash flood and just general flood warnings in effect. Northwest of Columbus there and over north of Dayton. There's the stationary front. There is that mega winter storm I'm sure you've heard about over the weekend. They've already had heavy snow, 6 to 10 inches on the ground, a massive temperature drop for Denver. They were in the 90s for Labor Day. They've got a hard freeze on the way. And here we are on the south side of that boundary, not dealing with any of that. We've got heat. We're going to be around the upper 80s, near 90 today and tomorrow. Now, this front will gradually sag south. We'll see an isolated shower chance for Thursday, and eventually that boundary will drop through here and just kind of take the edge off the heat going into the upcoming weekend. And then we'll see some shower and storm chances on the rise this weekend as well. We're in the mid-60s in Lexington at 63 for the dew point, so it's muggy. It's not, oppressive, but you can feel the mugginess in the air. And our maximum high so far for the year is 93 degrees. That holds. We hit that July 5th and the 25th. Jackson has the exact same max high of 93. Hit 3 days in July, and then London's was a degree warmer. Hit those same 3 days in July. So July was where the heat peaked for us, and in the month of August, we hit 89 4 times in Lexington, but did not hit the 90-degree mark. We've yet to do it in September. Guess what we're going to try to do? Upper 80s, around 80s, upper 80s to around 90 for highs today and tomorrow, and there you can see that temperature dip going into the upcoming weekend. So for the month of September, highs in the 90s, we averaged 2 of them. 90 degrees or warmer. The most on record, though, in the 30s and early 40s. Late 30s, early 40s, we had 18 days in the 90s. And, of course, our all-time September maximum high, 103 degrees back in 1954. We hit triple digits last year, so not expecting that anytime soon. Drought years tend to do that for us, where you see those extremes in heat. There's the mega cold that they're dealing with, that massive shot of early season winter weather, and of course, wicked cold in the mountains. Notice how none of that really ever translates east. We're not going to see that. We will see temperatures getting down, though, at least dropping a bit, down to around average heading into the upcoming weekend. And also, when you start to see those cold outbreaks, your thoughts start to turn to the turning of the leaves, fall foliage. The forecast just out for that as far as peak fall color goes. Looks like it's going to be through the month of October. No surprise there, starting out the earliest in the mountains and then translating down toward the river by late October. So, yeah, we've still got some time on that as far as getting out and spying that peak fall foliage. So the 8-day forecast shows the changes that are ahead. Of course, sunny and hot with upper 80s around 90 today, tomorrow. May have to bump that cloud cover up for Thursday a little bit, just isolated shower chances there. And then temperatures drop, upper 70s to low 80s where we'll bottom out as those shower and storm chances rise this weekend.